Níl Croiche Tipperary bóigh Mainistir Croiche Bealach Achaille na idir nócha agus an bhíon gan bhfuil Cashel Cormac é. An dáran treis falling idir an dá lein. Ach le glún nu agus réite ógar an dáhéamh bhí ar ríis lána dóchas. Ciocad an dáran seo bhach sa cléile ceanna simléana. Má darmach donacha a haman trátrochta.
Tá an chéad glún eile go bhaintear banner is gimmar le Cashel Cormac cáanta lína lán chúil agus rasta lína lán tosach captain na fórne. Imróí a henta ach siúd. Ón Conley ar óid Lorna Parka agus Ger Brown is immer le Tipperary agus an lán tosach sin a Donoghue a bhí mar réalt ar bhurin fhí fiche. Maidir le Mainistir Croiche bhfuil tá meascán go haithí agus óige go siúd. Cahall Riley, captain minúirí fithe cairn ar bhuisigh Craibh na Héireann, Robbie Ryan, captain scoil na mráthre nuair le éile, Cahall Barris go leor taithí agus siúd, agus i Joe Caesars, Brian O'Mara a Lorna Parka. Mar sin, tuch slasa. Cullinan is in the fórne. She búte go deas. Tá sí búte go háling is rinne gáin Conley. Bully Searugs, Bully Slasa, tá sé thar báracham. Búte sin Ronan Conley. Búte steach sa láir. Hall agus Mainistir Croiche ar nontaí ríis. Classic Darwood and non-tosser Darwood, Africa Warner goal, Darwood a bola, tá Mainistir Croiche Rashcon Tossa. Gimocht for Tasha Fevru, Tasha bola in gear, gentle drastic turn and Ryan. Richard Trent is on chance for score. Pass Hurling and Chuck Woodsa. Her board a trend ag Ronan Conley. Look all íontach. Bhí tathil clúdaige for an Iomána. An puck slasa Woodsa, well chumás a bhula chéine tá gimmar to Gordon Ryder. Tarnona. Hurling ar fád ag Dara Woods. Go isteach. A sí fáte go sin a Donoghue, tá an Iomána in air. Fáte Mainistir Croiche is ríis cosisiúh días. Pascar she's a tíomh. Fáte is Dara Woods, Mishnúil, Dara Woods, Crean, scored and Scott. Just a spás. Trí chun in na fórne, go fólach. Is Iomána a sin garhamach. Chancellor Cole in the Beidir, Mainistir Croiche, Master Matilda Spainer Cole, Beidir goal on Pascal Shaughnessy, Chancellor Cole, on Cole, scores Ryan. Cahall Riley Hogan Pasto, V. Chancellor Cole in, Creature Cole, stamps you that. Nero Dord, the goal is staff. She fought to Chancellor. Tá cumar Mainistir Croiche goil to the gear Gerald leis glyphis a mar chaimh sin bóilsa sáhailsa fáil agus tá sí a goal ar Gerald an cradach a damse mí áir a goal bara ar háil sin chéad rucht mar Eicemid agus cheap Mainistir Croiche méidir go puck Erica dul dómhach ar chuma agus a kickáilte isteach ar Gerald. Tá scóir tastal ó Cashel Rimún go dóitsin seo. Chance Mainistir Croiche and catch-up. Wilmach, ní sin butar óhaige, tá chance Johnny ar score. Tá sí ag a cheachmach sé. Tá sí bud, tá sí sáhailte. Ná riire bhí shanty to go Ger Brown an sin. That's the tíomh. Gentle go Jassy Dara Woods. Dara Woods a brand new struck, Dara Woods a bull a hauling ar fad. Or díireach. Testar Glíhannis agus tá cúpla scóir testar go tá sin Ger Brown chail sé Chancellor Cole níos luha, seo Chancellor Cole agus tá sin snapáilte go deasaige. Go hauling an seo nuair le éile. Pass Chester Teach agus pass le bháin ar gomán. With Chancellor Cole, Chancellor got a níl sé glantamach agus Chancellor tríú Cole is an tríú Cole amse. Robbie Ryan a amse. Déanta na fearne. Bhí ar a laiad rá hands a cosantóirí Cashel Rimúni sin a bhlanamach. Ní arna siad agus tá sí treis íoc a díras. Mar sin tá ráscóir fáte ag Cashel Moon and shot. That's by couple of Canada fall. What's give here to Rush and shot. Got on Ross Bonner. Slinja Ahenta. There's a glove shot. Agus as she pushing Jessic Ross. 3 scoring Caiseal. Going to get a Hochton Trent. Is that Immert here? On Conley got a shot on Hogan and Raitor, Masto, which had dribbled. Corta Darriger at Hurt. Can you solo reach? The ship against Squiltel and the Ellen Carcador. Okay, Dacker Galore. Because that in Higgins showed. Ceathrú inis agus that Mainistir na Croiche well Farsa Marisha inis agus that Forest Bar Slachter ka Femar Tha. Was a watching Joe Caesar will Carol Coolachak Caesar la love order come on agus patience the Kappa a V egg Cashel Moon ta zero lobenish Kinse Farsa Marish ag Mainistir na Croiche agus ishin Schnitzish Jaconeta Joe Caesar. James and Raitor a Gleoch. Agus that, well, near Hastra Shear as a Malach and Chen. Ta Kenny Lejenig and Raitor and shot. And Darracart to Bui, Spontige, go Carl Barrett. Carl Niachtus a Malach. Agus and Darracart to Bui, Agus Dera, Lech. Shall fog on the park, shall Crach Legan. Machanur Marvion, Connie Nis Lua, while it's Astor Shanekal. Cancel Butchistach. Agus ball cool fotsa. Ag Roland Conley, a wadro Yernach. A wadro Yernach and Arire. Kind of cannot Zimach and shot. Punchistach and Chohanish, Ocean O'Donoghue. Pass Chester and shot. What you call Quinn? Well, ta cool nach more foul the Hornish Shin. Tenoma the hin. Cahal Quinn a Criachnet Ishel. Cashel Cormac a Ceathrú. The Mulladol Dove Martin needs to touch Irish accomplishment. Pass Hurling Trasna. Chance to Shonish Jabron Ryan Shaw. But he would jump Bunches and Lena. Carl O'Reilly. It was just a Mainistir na Croiche Ceathrú. But John Reach. On Craddock Trust Sports. Rashka Craddock reached a Craddock Cashel Shane, but Carmac Colin August Hall. Shahagan and Council of Bonnet and Lean Enniston and Coolbarg Machama. I think Custors and Otscart. Carl O'Reilly. Congregative Lene, Emmy Hurricane Lene, as an adult Yernock Shades, as an Taxon Gentic, Mainistir na Croiche. Goslachtor.
Well, we were here 2 years ago, quarterfinal. We haven't got to semi-final since '99, so that was the focus today, to get in here and perform. Our work rate was outstanding there in the first half. Cashel are a really, really good side, quality side with threats everywhere. You know, our backline had to be so under guard, and we were, and that gave the platform in for our forwards to get the scores that they did. You know,
when you're scoring 3 goals, it's hard for the other team, you know, to match that. So just delighted with the boys inside. Yeah, really good movement.
There's 10 of them there today that played in the under-21 county final last December, so they're outstanding. But you know, brilliant young lads will never win you on their own at senior level. You know, so we're just so thrilled. We have Brian here beside me. We've Cathal Barrett, we've Ewan Burke. We've really experienced heads that are so cool and calm around them.
They're great, like they just don't care, you know. You see them walking around there training, there's no big who-has out of them or G'ing up lads. They just go about their business, and they're phenomenal. You know, they've won some serious medals this year, you know, county finals with the club, under 21 and stuff last year. They've won Heritage Cups, All-Ireland minors, All-Ireland 20s, you know, so they have a winning mentality, and that's huge for us.
We won in 90, lost in 91, and we haven't been there since. So look, you know, we want to be here in Ceannais Stadium more often and showcasing the skills that they have.
To think that, you know, we've the chance to get there, albeit a very, very difficult game. You know, it's super. Where else would you want to be?